Ever wondered what the top 5 beaches in Jamaica are? Well, you're in for a treat. Jamaica, known worldwide for its stunning beaches, is a paradise that offers more than just sun, sea, and sand. This Caribbean gem is an island that's graced with a diverse geography and a climate that's as warm as its people. From its majestic mountains to its lush tropical forests, every aspect of its landscape contributes to the creation of its breathtaking coastlines. These coastlines are home to a myriad of beaches, each with its own unique charm and allure. Today, we'll be exploring the cream of the crop, the top 5 beaches that Jamaica has to offer. From secluded spots to bustling shorelines, these beaches embody the very essence of a tropical paradise. So buckle up as we're about to take a mesmerizing journey across Jamaica's top 5 beaches. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the serene Treasure Beach. Nestled on Jamaica's sun-drenched southern coast, this gem of a beach is a haven of tranquility that stands in contrast to the bustling tourist hotspots found elsewhere on the island. Picture this: miles of untouched golden sand, kissed by the gentle waves of the Caribbean Sea. The beach isn't just beautiful, it's a place where the old-world charm of Jamaica comes to life. The calm waters of Treasure Beach aren't just for swimming. They're a gateway to a thriving local fishing culture that has sustained the community for generations. The beach is dotted with quaint local fishing villages that offer an authentic slice of Jamaican life. Here, fishermen set out at the break of dawn, their boats bobbing on the horizon in search of the day's catch. The villages themselves are a riot of color, with brightly painted houses and bustling markets selling everything from fresh fruit to handcrafted souvenirs. But Treasure Beach isn't just about the beach and the villages. It's about the people who call this place home. Visitors have the opportunity to immerse themselves in Jamaican culture, with locals more than happy to share their stories, their music, and their way of life. Imagine sitting on the beach as the sun sets, the sky painted in hues of orange and pink, the sweet strains of reggae music wafting through the air, a plate of freshly caught fish and a cold red stripe beer by your side. This is Treasure Beach, a place where time seems to stand still and where the hustle and bustle of the outside world feels a million miles away. So, if you're seeking a beach that offers more than just sun, sand, and sea, if you're looking for a place that offers tranquility, a chance to connect with nature, and the opportunity to immerse yourself in Jamaican culture, then Treasure Beach is the place for you. For those seeking tranquility and cultural immersion, Treasure Beach is a must-visit. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves at the vibrant 7 Mile Beach. Imagine a beach that stretches as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless expanse of pristine white sand kissed by the gentle Caribbean Sea. This, my friends, is 7 Mile Beach. Occupying a prime spot on the western coast of Jamaica, 7 Mile Beach is a natural wonder that truly lives up to its name. Its 7 miles of coastline are a sight to behold, with the shimmering white sand serving as the perfect contrast to the crystal-clear, turquoise waters. But it's not just about the breathtaking views here. 7 Mile Beach is a hub of activity, offering a plethora of water sports for the adventurous at heart. Whether it's jet skiing across the water at breakneck speed, parasailing high above the beach for a bird's-eye view, or snorkeling amongst the vibrant marine life, there's never a dull moment on this stretch of paradise. As the day winds down, the beach transforms into a bustling nightlife hub. The air fills with the pulsating rhythms of reggae music, a signature of Jamaican culture. The beach bars come alive, serving up a variety of local and international cuisines accompanied by a selection of refreshing cocktails. The bonfires illuminate the night, and you can't help but sway to the beat of the music as the stars twinkle overhead. But perhaps the most striking feature of 7 Mile Beach is its infectious energy. There's a certain liveliness that permeates the air, a sense of camaraderie among beachgoers that's hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where memories are made, where every moment is a celebration of life. And so, if you're a fan of water sports, if you love a good party, if you enjoy meeting new people and making lasting memories, then 7 Mile Beach should definitely be on your list. It's more than just a beach, it's a destination that offers an experience like no other. If you're a fan of water sports and lively vibes, 7 Mile Beach should definitely be on your list. Taking the number 3 spot, we have the surfer's paradise, Boston Bay Beach. This beach is not just another tropical paradise, It's a playground for wave riders from all over the world. Known for its consistent, rideable waves, Boston Bay Beach has earned its reputation as one of the best surfing spots in Jamaica. Whether you're a seasoned surf pro or a novice looking to catch your first wave, this beach has something for everyone. But the allure of Boston Bay Beach extends beyond the surf. The beach is located in the small coastal town of Boston Bay, a place that has become synonymous with a culinary tradition that Jamaica is famous for: jerk food. The town is often referred to as the birthplace of jerk, a style of cooking that involves marinating meat in a blend of spices and slow cooking it over a fire pit. The result? A smoky, spicy, and utterly delicious dish that will make your taste buds dance. As you stroll along the beach, the aroma of jerk spices wafts through the air, beckoning you to sample this local delicacy. Whether it's jerk chicken, pork, or fish, each bite is a celebration of flavor that complements the salty sea breeze and the sound of crashing waves. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that encapsulates the essence of Jamaican culture. And let's not forget about the beach itself. With its soft white sand, crystal clear waters, and lush palm trees, Boston Bay Beach is a sight to behold. It's the kind of place that invites you to kick off your shoes, relax, and let the rhythm of the island take over. For surf enthusiasts and foodies alike, Boston Bay Beach offers an unforgettable experience. Whether you're riding the waves or relishing in the local cuisine, this beach is a testament to Jamaica's vibrant culture and natural beauty. So next time you find yourself in Jamaica, make sure to visit Boston Bay Beach. It's a destination that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Coming in at number 2, we have the historic Doctor's Cave Beach. Drenched in a rich past and bathed in the crystalline waters of the Caribbean Sea, this beach offers more than just a place to soak up the sun. The beach takes its name from Dr. Alexander James McCaddy, who established a sanatorium in Montego Bay in the late 19th century. He generously allowed his friends, who were mainly from the medical profession, to bathe in his beach, which was accessible through a cave. Thus, the beach earned its distinctive name, Doctor's Cave. But what sets Doctor's Cave Beach apart is not just its intriguing name or its golden sands. It's the water, clear as the finest crystal, believed to have medicinal properties. Back in the 20s, a famous British osteopath declared that the water could cure several ailments. Although we can't promise a miracle cure, a dip in these pristine waters is certain to rejuvenate your spirit. Located smack dab in the heart of Montego Bay, Doctor's Cave Beach is not only easily accessible, it's also surrounded by a plethora of amenities. You'll find a well-equipped beach bar to quench your thirst, a grill to satiate your hunger, and even a cyber cafe to keep you connected. And if you're in the mood for some water sports, there's plenty to choose from. But perhaps the best part of Doctor's Cave Beach is its atmosphere. It's a place where history meets natural beauty, and where locals and visitors alike come to relax, to play, and to simply enjoy the Jamaican sun. Whether you're basking on the sun-kissed sand or diving into the sparkling blue water, Doctor's Cave Beach promises an experience that's as refreshing as it is memorable. For a blend of history, beauty, and convenience, Doctor's Cave Beach is the perfect spot. And just think, we still have one more beach to reveal in our countdown. Stay tuned. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, we have the idyllic Frenchman's Cove. Nestled away from the hustle and bustle, this secluded gem offers a luxurious beach experience like no other. Picture this: clear blue waters that sparkle under the Caribbean sun, soft white sand that cushions your feet, and lush greenery that serves as the perfect backdrop for your beach adventure. But what truly sets Frenchman's Cove apart is the enchanting river that gently flows into the sea. This creates a unique mix of fresh and salt water, giving you the best of both worlds. Whether you're taking a refreshing dip in the river or basking in the salty sea, the beauty of Frenchman's Cove is nothing short of mesmerizing. This beach isn't just about the stunning visuals, it's an experience that engages all your senses. The sound of the waves, the touch of the sand, the smell of the sea, it's an immersive journey. For those seeking a slice of paradise, Frenchman's Cove is the ultimate beach destination in Jamaica. And there you have it, the top 5 beaches in Jamaica. Let's take a moment to dive back into the sun-kissed memories we've gathered today. We started our journey reclining on the unique black sands of Treasure Beach, where we discovered a tranquil haven, a true treasure indeed. Then we sauntered along the ever-stretching 7-mile beach, a spectacle of endless turquoise waters and golden sands. Boston Bay Beach offered us a thrilling experience with its renowned surf waves, while Doctor's Cave Beach bewitched us with its therapeutic waters, promising good health and vitality. And finally, we landed in the lap of luxury at Frenchman's Cove, a beach that effortlessly combines tropical beauty with a dash of exclusivity, the perfect ending to our Jamaican beach adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Jamaica's most stunning beaches. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep the beach vibes alive.